Thanks for joining us for this guided meditation. Take a moment to get into a comfortable position. Allow yourself to begin to relax. You might notice tension or a sense of calm and ease. And tune your attention into the flow of the breath, just breathing naturally. And then just allowing your focus to settle on where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. Follow each new breath as if it were your first ever breath. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. Notice where the mind is in this moment. Noticing without judging yourself or your meditation practice, before returning your focus back to the flow of your breath. Many times letting go. Letting go over and over. Allow your concentration to rest. Just being in the moment. And notice whatever comes into your awareness. Nothing else to do. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I invite you to bring this feeling of openness with you into the rest of your day.